See, it's got into my blood, and it's very difficult to take it out of my body. So, RK will always remain closest to my heart. See, it's a decision by the makers of the show, and I think whatever they're doing is best for the show, because यहाँ तक भी हम उन्हीं की बदौलत पहुँचे हैं. Obviously, I'm also feeling bad that my fans won't be able to see me again in Madhubala, but I think it's good for the life of the show, and obviously my fans would not expect me to play a father to a 25-year-old, where me being 25-year-old in real life, so I won't be convincing enough to play a father, which is why it's a mutual decision taken between me and the producer and the channel. सी वो कितना इफेक्ट करेगा ये तो हमें लीप के बाद ही पता चलेगा.
बट हमें ऐसा नहीं लगता है, हम कोई भी काम ये सोच के नहीं करते हैं कि वो अच्छा नहीं चलेगा. जब पहली बार मधुबाला हमने शुरू किया था, हमने ये नहीं सोचा था कि शो नहीं चलेगा. हम यही सोच के चीज़ें करते हैं कि शो लोगों को पसंद आएगा, नई कहानी लोगों को पसंद आएगी. हमें सिर्फ यही आशा है कि जिस तरीके से लोगों ने RK और मधु को प्रोत्साहन दिया, आने वाली आगे कहानी को भी लोग उतना ही प्रोत्साहन देंगे, उतना ही पसंद करेंगे. हाँ जी, जैसे मैंने बताया कि बहुत सारे डेवलपमेंट हम नेक्स्ट वीक में ही आपको रिवील कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि अभी बहुत सारा काम चल रहा है बैकग्राउंड में. सो वो सब डिटेल हम आपको दे पाएंगे अगले हफ्ते.
That's totally untrue, because I am myself not aware about this. I also got to know today in the morning that I've already signed a new show. So that's not true at all.
But this is 2014 January का पहला महीना है, तो don't you think that the beginning of the month is only that heartbreaking for everyone out there?
Of course, you're talking about the fans, right? Yeah. Obviously, they'll feel bad because these are the people who have made us and made the show decently big where we are today. And obviously, you can never predict the future. That's what Abhinav sir said. When you write a story, you don't know beforehand that, is it going to work or it's not going to work. So I think let's leave it on the future and destiny. Let's see what God's got in store.
मधुबाला की नहीं, ये कहना गलत होगा. ऐसा हमने ना कभी कहा है और ना ही हम कह रहे हैं. हमारी एक बहुत अच्छी रिलेशनशिप रही है. मधुबाला अपने आप में एक ब्रांड है जिसमें विवेन ने बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया है. तो हम एज अ प्रोड्यूसर्स, मैं और सौरभ दोनों विवेन का शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि हमारे साथ रहे. ये दूसरी बात है कि उनकी जर्नी यहीं तक की थी हमारे साथ. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि हम विवेन के साथ काम करना आगे बंद कर देंगे. हम श्योर आगे और भी हम शोज़ बनाएंगे और भी काम करेंगे. तो जिस हिसाब से किरदार होगा, अगर उसमें विवेन हमारे साथ फिट बैठेगा तो हम बिल्कुल काम करेंगे.
Let's leave it to the future. फिलहाल तो मैं 1 महीने के ब्रेक पे जा रहा हूँ. कोई आ रहा है मेरे साथ? So I'm on a 1 month, once I get done with Madhubala, I'm on a 1 month break where I'll spend a lot of time. मैं अपने परिवार के साथ अपने होम टाउन में, बॉम्बे में, पुणे में, मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करूँगा, जो मैं पिछले 1.5-2 साल में मैंने नहीं किया है ठीक से. So उसके बाद देखेंगे कि what God's got in store. See, I don't think so. There's any confirmation onto this.
आपने फाइनल कर लिया? अभी जैसे मैंने बताया कि अभी बहुत सारा काम बाकी है. किस तरीके की स्टोरी होगी, किस तरीके के किरदार होंगे, उस किरदार में कौन फिट बैठेगा, उसमें करमवीर वोरा है या A और B है, C है, ये अभी थोड़ा कहना मुश्किल है. बट जो भी इस किरदार को अच्छी तरीके से निभा पाएगा, हम उसी को लेंगे. जिसका मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग अगले हफ्ते आपको इसके बारे में ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी दे पाएंगे.
That's what I said. I'm not predicting the future. Let's see what God's got in store. So I leave it on my destiny. As in my destiny?
It's like destiny is meant for some another work, because we build our destiny.
करेगा, फिल्में
See,
मिलेंगी, अच्छा
obviously,
करेगा.
which actor in this industry would say no to films? I said I leave it to my destiny, and it's a very big statement or a saying to say by an actor. I'm a very small actor. I'm a small time actor, and I should not be saying that I will make my own destiny. I think there's only one Almighty in this world who makes everyone's destiny. You just follow it. It is just a saying. It's said in poetry. There's nothing in real life called you making your destiny yourself. Sorry? I have never been a materialistic guy.
Why you don't want money for the films? No, of course यार, मतलब पैसा जो मतलब काम पैसे के लिए किया जाता है और हर
See, it's got into my blood, and it's very difficult to take it out of take it out of my body. So RK will always remain closest to my heart because it's one of the bestest character, and I always thank him and the entire team of Madhubala and Colors, and obviously Mr. Saurabh Tiwari, that these guys thought that I would fit the bill, despite of people coming and telling them that Vivian Desena is a wooden-faced actor and he won't, he would not suit the character, he would not be able to pull it off. But I think it's the faith, it's the positivity in them which made them believe that no, we should go ahead with him and give him a chance. And God was kind enough to us that He gave us a chance, and we worked it out. देखते हैं फ्यूचर में क्या होता है. वही मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, उस तब की तब सोचेंगे. See, let me go on my vacation, let me relax first, let my mind get into a normal human being state, let the fatigue get out of my body, and then probably I can think. No. What happens when you do a daily soap, it gets into your body, and obviously the long working hours, and thanks to Bombay traffic, where you spend 2.5 to 3 hours every day only in your car, so that reduces the time frame of relaxing and resting, and obviously why
to Vivian to come back, we will bring him back.
See, it's a collective effort by the story, by the execution, by the whole creative team working on it, by the whole channel team working on it. You decide a plot. That's why why only 2 people don't come and shoot the whole thing and telecast it. Why there's so many people to do different jobs and different aspects of the show. Yeah, they collectively come together and try to create something which is magical and which shows magic. Henceforth, we see the ratings if magic is created. So it's not a particular character which gets TRP. I would not believe in the fact saying that RK रहता है तो TRP रहती है. Sorry, boss. It's not only RK. There are other characters, there are other people who are working day and night, putting in their blood and sweat, who are collectively working as hard as the actors. It's just that you're seeing actors because they're more exposed to the world through the medium of media. But other people who are not even known, that okay, this A person works on a show, a B person works on a show. You don't know the editor is, he's not slept for 3 days because he was editing 2 episodes. You don't know that. Yeah.
So we don't want to lose the essence of the show. The DNA of the Madhubala remains as it is. So we're going to be presenting you the edgy love story and edgy drama around the whole show. So that's what really worked on the show. Fortunately it was Vivian and Drishti who played these characters, and they became star. चलो मैं विवियन के साथ एक नया शो लॉन्च करता हूँ, तुम मुझे टीआरपी अंडर राइट करो बॉस. हाँ, नहीं हो सकता ना. मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि एक शो में बहुत कुछ लगता है बनाने के लिए. किरदार, कौन से किरदार उसके साथ हैं. अक्षय कुमार डज नॉट गारंटी अ सक्सेस एट द बॉक्स ऑफिस ना. So it's everything collectively which works around the show or the film, for that matter of fact. So we are making that effort. I'm sure that we as a makers believe in the product and have all the potential to bring it back where it was before. Done?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.